Good morning, traders. This is your opening bell with me, Adam Harris. So let's get started. So first of all, in terms of major news today on the economic calendar, there's really only coming out of the US at 2 p.m. UK time. The Fed in the US chair Powell is going to be speaking, and there might be create a little bit of volatility in the markets. Other than that, there is some discussion at about 5 p.m. UK time where they're going to be having a look at the shorter term energy outlook. So this is obviously tied to global fears of recession, inflation, combined with Putin's invasion of Ukraine. So there could also, again, there could be some increased volatility there, especially in, say, oil futures. So something to keep an eye out for and be prepared for. Then just having a look in terms of earnings today, there's Eaton Vance, Oramed, and Bed Bath & Beyond. And then dividends, we've got Brookfield Real Assets, we've got Eagle Point, and we've got Guardian Capital Group coming out of Canada. So otherwise, a bit quiet on the front, but it is Tuesday. It is the second trading day of kind of the official start of the trading year, let's call it that. And actually, in terms of what's going on in the market, it's very nice. We saw a weakening of that US dollar yesterday. So my expectation for today is to see the euro climb today against the dollar, the pound climb against the dollar. The only one that I expect to buck the trend, that would possibly be dollar yen, which is really very much trying to resume its older term uptrend. And so it's interesting to me, euro yen is looking nice and bullish. Pound yen is looking nice and bullish. We've got a few of the others that are also looking nice and bullish. And then actually we get to gold. Gold is a little bit overextended. Silver is looking really weak. So silver, to me, my expectations see today, potentially see silver come back down a bit. Gold is looking quite strong, but it could, there's nothing wrong with it taking a bit of a breather. And then actually looking at crude oils, they're still looking quite bearish at this time. Then if I look at the US indices, it's interesting to me. They had a bit of a down day yesterday, and yet at the same time, there were some equities that performed really well, including Apple, including Tesla. They did quite well. So actually what I'm looking for today is to see a continuation of that. I want to see the markets are looking quite bullish. They're not overextended. They had a little bit of a breather over the Christmas holidays, the festive season. I want to see them continue to the upside there. And then anything else I've mentioned is cryptos. Cryptos have actually fared really well over the last couple of weeks. They've been creeping up. And actually right now they look more bearish than bullish. So that's quite good. That is very much it from me. Actually, one thing I do want to add to this is that actually if we leave the US indices, we look at the UK and European indices, they have been incredibly bullish. And this is something that doesn't necessarily happen if the global economy is struggling. So I think that's a really good sign. We're seeing both of them, and I expect them to continue to push higher today. So that's it, ladies and gents. I want you to obviously plan your trades, trade your plan, manage everything responsibly, and I will see you in the next opening bell.